Hi, my name is Dr. Lumina. Welcome to this journey through digital branding. Today, we are going to dive into the essential realm of content creation and campaign design. In this session, we'll explore how influencer marketing leverages creative content formats, storytelling, engagement, and brand alignment to craft compelling campaigns that resonate with modern audiences. Course overview. Let's start with why this topic matters. Influencer marketing is rapidly becoming the backbone of digital advertising. This session focuses on giving you practical tools to understand and execute effective influencer campaigns. Our goals are to help you identify effective content formats, align them with your brand, and foster deeper audience engagement. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to design content strategies that not only look good, but work brilliantly. Content formats: image, video, stories. Content formats are the core of any campaign. Images capture attention instantly, videos offer depth and engagement, while stories create immediacy and personal connection. Each format has its strengths and strategic use cases depending on the audience and platform. You'll see that using the right mix can significantly enhance campaign performance. Our job is to match the format with the message for maximum impact. Choosing the right format for your brand. Not all formats work for every brand. Some brands thrive with polished visuals, others with raw, behind-the-scenes content. Knowing your audience's consumption habits helps decide whether to go with video walkthroughs, short stories, or inspirational images. It's about balance. Too much polish can seem insincere, while too raw may miss the message. Always test and learn what resonates best. Understanding brand values. Your brand's values are its DNA. When content mirrors those values, audiences immediately sense coherence and trust. Influencers who align with these values can amplify them through authentic voice and personality. It's essential to identify those core themes, like sustainability, innovation, or empowerment, and embed them in every post or story. This consistency strengthens your identity and deepens loyalty. Importance of consistency. Consistency in voice, tone, and visuals cements brand memory. Think of iconic brands. What they say and how they look is always instantly recognizable. This uniformity should extend to all influencer partnerships. Mixed messaging or clashing styles can dilute brand identity. Use guidelines, templates, and regular reviews to maintain a cohesive presence. The power of authenticity. Today's consumers crave realness. Authentic content feels personal, spontaneous, and credible. Influencers who speak from the heart and share real stories build stronger relationships. Audiences can spot fakeness from a mile away, and it damages trust. Aim to be transparent, avoid overproduction, and let personality shine. Tips for building trust. To deepen authenticity, be clear about partnerships and avoid excessive selling. Share content that educates, entertains, or inspires, rather than just promoting. Respond to comments, highlight feedback, and include user stories. These actions foster credibility and keep the audience coming back. Always prioritize relationships over reach. What is UGC and why it's important? User-generated content, or UGC, transforms your audience into ambassadors. When followers share your brand, it feels more genuine than paid ads. UGC builds community, boosts credibility, and scales content organically. It's also a cost-effective way to maintain a constant stream of brand-aligned material. The key is making users feel seen and celebrated. How to encourage UGC? So how do we inspire people to create UGC? Start by engaging them. Run challenges, ask questions, or create branded hashtags. Offer rewards, but more importantly, offer recognition. Feature their posts, share their stories, and show appreciation. The easier you make it for them to contribute, the more content you'll receive. What makes a compelling campaign message? The heart of any campaign is its message. A good message is simple, emotional, and memorable. It should convey who you are, what you stand for, and why your audience should care. Align this message with the influencer's style and audience tone. Together, they amplify each other's authenticity and reach, balancing creativity and clarity. Creativity gets attention, but clarity drives action. It's tempting to get clever, but if your audience doesn't get it, it fails. Keep your message clear. Use simple language and visuals that align with your call to action. Then add creativity to make it pop. The best campaigns balance art and function perfectly. Why storytelling matters. Humans connect through stories. Stories help explain complex ideas, evoke emotions, and inspire action. In influencer marketing, storytelling lets the brand's message be told through the influencer's voice. This narrative form builds emotional ties, making campaigns feel personal, not promotional. It turns followers into fans and fans into advocates. Structure of a strong story. Every story has a beginning, middle, and end. Introduce a relatable challenge, share the journey, and conclude with a resolution. This format keeps audiences engaged. Whether it's overcoming a struggle, finding a product, or achieving a goal, these arcs build resonance. Guide your influencers to craft stories, not just endorsements. Emotional connections through stories. Stories stick when they touch the heart. Use narratives that evoke empathy, joy, or excitement. When audiences see themselves in a story, they feel validated. Emotional storytelling doesn't just drive engagement, it boosts conversion. That's the magic. Feelings lead to actions. What is visual consistency? Visual consistency ties your brand look together. It includes color schemes, filters, fonts, and logo use. When everything looks and feels aligned, it builds recognition. This is especially vital when working with multiple influencers. Guidelines help ensure that every piece still feels like you. Visual consistency. Across platforms. Different platforms have different specs, but your look should still be consistent. Whether it's an Instagram story or a YouTube thumbnail, make sure it fits your brand aesthetic. Adapt without losing identity. It makes your brand easier to recognize and trust, no matter where it appears. Key strategies for increasing engagement. Engagement is more than likes. It's conversations and community. Use tools like polls, contests, and Q&As to interact with your audience. Ask questions, reply to comments, and make people feel part of something. It turns passive followers into active participants. Engagement drives visibility and builds loyalty. Building long-term relationships. The best campaigns build lasting connections. Stay connected beyond single promotions. Follow up, share user posts, and show appreciation. Think of your audience as partners, not targets. Personalization and genuine interaction build loyalty that lasts beyond the campaign. This long-term thinking yields better ROI. Key takeaways. To wrap up, remember, choose formats wisely, stay authentic, and engage consistently. Align everything to your brand values and keep your messaging clear and powerful. These fundamentals are what separate good campaigns from great ones. Revisit them often as your strategies evolve. Final thoughts. Influencer marketing is always evolving. What works today might shift tomorrow, so keep testing and learning. Stay close to your audience, be ready to innovate, and optimize your efforts based on results. This is where creativity meets strategy, and where the future of digital influence is forged.